Welcome to Burge's Funhouse. You can find us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Hello, Raindrops! I'm in Royal High and I'm doing the Falling Leaves Festival. I want to show you how to do the baking mini game, so make sure you've already grabbed your tickets and we're going to head down the bridge this way to the baking game. And also right here is the Royal High, the Royale badge. Make sure you grab that on the way. And then we're going over to the right to the Sugar Dough Bakery. It says now hiring on the outside, so all we have to do is jump back behind the counter and go over to the prep station. And on the right, we need to choose one of the recipes. It shows you how many tickets it costs and how many candies you will earn. So keep that in mind. And then all we have to do is just click the recipe items up at the top. And for things like butter and stuff that needs to be cold, you click the refrigerator to open. Once you're done, you're going to click the mixer to go ahead and start mixing everything. And then once it counts down, obviously we'll grab it from the mixer. So go ahead and click the mixer to grab it. And now we need to head over to the oven. You just click on the little door there and it will start baking. This is a great time to come over and purchase some of the Falling Leaves bakery items to help you with your hunger meter. So always just grab a few of these and then work on my hunger while I'm waiting. Some of them are instantly delivered to you, and then some of them you have to wait right here at the counter for, and then you can walk over and click them to pick them up so that they're in your inventory. And now our banana nut bread is finished, so we need to click to take it out. And this one doesn't need frosting, so we need to find banana nut bread right here on the display case and click, and there we go. The recipe is complete. For some of the ones that needs frosting, it will tell you to go over to the frosting table. So that's how you complete the baking mini game in the Sugar Dough Bakery for the new Royale Falling Festival. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye, Raindrops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.